Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last video is we have seen how to create a resource group and workspace, and now we need to see how to create a storage account. Someone will ask why I need to create a storage account while it's already created when I create, let's say, the the workspace. And let me just show you here when I say the all resources in this resource group, and you can see here this is the storage account. You can see here storage account is already created. And why we need to create another one? Maybe it's just for somehow for organizing, and I don't like, let's say, this name here, just adding letters, and now I need to do my stuff. So why we need indeed the storage account? The storage account is needed to store the data set, the experiments, models, and also data versioning. And it's really needed. I mean, of course, without any data, it's not possible to train any model. Now, in the regarding the questions, which is I think really important for you, I don't want to let's say to maybe to spend much money in this. So that's why I have added in each section. I have added the cost. And if you see here, and there are three different categories for this for the storage account. There are hot tier, cold tier, and archive tier. And the hot one is, I mean, just if you see here, if you have 100 gigabytes, it's almost you have to pay. If you save your data in this section here, in this hot tier, you will spend about $2, which is, I think, it's nothing, but it depends on indeed in you. But if you are really working with the industry and projects, I mean, don't care about the cost. Everything will be covered by the company. But this is only for if you follow this course. So try to use whatever it's perfect for you. And because in the next sections we will try to see how to create a blob containers, and also uploading not only files like iris dataset or something. We will try to upload real data sets, and the storage account you can store sensor data, vision data, and also production logs, and also trained model. And we will see how to create this in a CLI Vision 2 and also Python. And you can see here I already provided this commands here, and for each component I have added this uh, presentation, which is already added in the GitHub, I think, of yesterday. I think I have uploaded everything. Let's see. You can find it here in Azure Components. So now why I'm doing this? So the project itself, the goal of this project is to make everything automation, CI/CD pipeline. But the CI/CD pipeline is the component of the CI/CD pipeline is these Azure components. And if you don't know what are these components and how to create, how to handle, how to, let's see, delete, remove, maybe update, so it won't make any sense. That's why I'm just trying to give you a short introduction to this, how to deal with the storage, I mean the components. So now you can see here I have this commands here. You have to be logged in your in your account. Of course, you have to have a resource group that we have created in the last videos. And now to create a blob storage account, you have to see it will be this. But let me just show you here. You have to see this it's a blob storage, and here this is the access tier. It's hot. So in your case, you can change it to let's see. Let me just show you how to go to the commands. Indeed, go to the general, let's see, environment. Let's see here. We can see how to create. Now you can see here all of these, the parameters. You have many parameters, but these are only the required. I mean, I'm just giving you the required one. And here you can see access T. It's cold, cool, hot, and premium. And I'm using this one here. And if you would like to save, let's see, some cost, you have to use call or called. And as we have seen in this, it's hot, call, and archive. Called, it's archive. And most of these I will say might be needed, but maybe for instance this one here kind, it's a blob storage, block file storage, and storage version 2, and everything here it's me I will say it's really explained. Where's the third one? This one here. Which let's see standard uh, safe, let's say BC standard safes. So you can see each parameters is really explained here. And for instance, you can see require for storage account we kind blob storage. The access is used for billing, and premium access to is a default value. I mean, yeah, the default value is premium, and you have to use let's see whatever you want indeed. And here also there's a command line how to create. So hopefully this is clear, and let's go started to create our storage account. So I will just copy this command, I'll put it here. Nice. uh, DevOps is not create. Resource group name it's wrong. So let's see, this is the resource group, sorry. So I have changed the name of my resource group. As you can see here, this is my resource group. And I will just hit enter, and you will see. When it's creating, I will show you some properties of the storage account, because the storage account it's let's see really protected and high security, and you cannot let's see create any containers or upload the data unless you have the key. And I will show you how to get the keys, maybe today, or maybe if when we create the container account. Let me see bar. Storage account. Right. See, we have our storage account here. Now let me just move this. This is the property of the storage account. And here you have the keys and also the containers. And the containers here, it's I will let's see just consider for sake of simplicity. The storage account is like your hard drive, and the containers is like any folder. Let's see, industrial, for instance, pattern or anomaly detection. And each key, I mean, each container, each storage account has a keys. So to upload something into the containers here, you have to have uh, these keys here. And I will show you next time how to use these keys either in CLI or Python. And regarding the Python, I will not, let's say, because I have already tested this. Everything is tested. So already also uploaded here. So you can see storage account presentation and storage account create. And with this information here, you will be able to create. So why this is not storage account? So the storage account with SDK. Yeah, we need to add the storage account. Okay, so let me just add this. How to do add this? Let's see. Is this storage account? Also, the name is false. Storage account. Now, what's wrong now? So just copy this, and if you are not sure, let's see what you have to do. Just go to the Google here. It's easy. So, but I can just show you how to download this. For instance, you have to add this here. But how do we add our stuff here? So just copy the name, go to your project, the Python code, and here you need to add, as you can see here, in the TOML file, we have no this file here. But what you have to do is beauty add and then storage account. I mean storage management storage. So this will try to add our stuff. I mean the libraries into this file here, and we will see in a moment, because I'm using different environments. That's why it's not installed here. But you can see here it's here. But for, let's see, for more organization, I will just put it in here. So SDK pages. Now, if you see now, I can run just with debug, just to show you how to do things. I will just see it's now should create the resource group, and I will not create this with Python. Try it yourself if you would like to do it. And you can see here, for instance, with the storage account create, begin create, this one. Let's just see what are the parameters. So you can see what is the resource group. It's resource group, but it's not here. I have to upload it here, to update it here. And also the account name, the storage account is industrial storage, and the parameters, it's, let's say, standard global storage, and etc. So yeah, maybe this one also need to be updated, and the resource group, this is our resource group. We have just to update. So I want just to make your life easier. So you can add it here in the resource group, and also you can run this, of course, as a parameterized. So I think you know this. If you just write Python and add each parameter here. So yeah, that's it. I think for today it's enough, I will see. And for this, I mean, try to keep the naming is consistent, and also if you'd like to use Python or CLI, this is up to you. And if you have any question, please write it down in the comment below. If you have any question in the previous videos, so because we are now, it's our stuff, it's accumulated. If you have done the previous one, you will kind of continue with our with the next, with this, for instance, tutorials. That's it, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.